Hey, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing, and in this video, we are going to cover how you can automate your content using GoHighLevel social media planning and automation tool, right? So if you're a business owner and looking to automate your content journey using GoHighLevel, then this video is right for you. Um, we all know that social media content posting is very critical for all the businesses, as this can increase awareness for our brand. And by increasing awareness, we are warming up our audience across a particular niche. And then as a result, we are generating business leads to this social posting of content, right? So first thing you need to do in Goa level when you log in, you need to go to the marketing, and then you're going to see a screen where all these platforms are mentioned and you need to connect one of them. Once you connect that, you're going to see screen like this in which uh, you can see a lot of different buttons like planner, content, comments, and then you can see filters, new posts. I'll walk through one by one what these actually are and what kind of work they provide in terms of tool management. Now, first thing is you need to connect your social accounts. Let's just do that by clicking on this button. We are going to connect our Facebook, and we just need to select our page. So you see that we connected our Facebook page. Now our social channels that are connected are Facebook and YouTube. You can connect a lot of other channels. You can see all the channels mentioned here, and you just need to connect, and then lead connector will take it from there. Then you need to uh, see what kind of content is currently scheduled by this list view, or you can do a calendar view as well. Once you do that, you can also see a filters button there. Once you click on that, you are going to see different options related to the content. Now, this is for the content type, like what type of content that we are posting. You can select or unselect any type of content that you want from here. Then there is a status. Is the post published? Is it scheduled? Is it drafted? Is it in review? Things like that, right? Approval status, either it is rejected or approved. You can select creator by selecting a staff member, and then who is the approver. You can also add a approver there, and then these are the categories if you are doing different categories for your social media posting. Now, if, for example, if you are a service business who is doing roofing and also doing HVAC, then you can create different content categories. Posting for each category will warm up or get different type of audiences inside your social media strategy. Then there is a content button. Once you click on that, you can see different options. So let's just go to one by one. This is a CSV where you can upload a CSV with all your posts and then you can schedule them. This is a recurring post, which means it will be posted on the time that you mention. For example, this we can start it and we can start it by we are just saying that um, new update for Facebook ads. Here are the details. Andromeda update, gem update. That's for example, right? So, okay, you can add an image from here, right? And then is it a feed? Post this as a feed, reel, or a story. We will just stay with feed. And in under the advanced option, Either you want to apply a watermark on the post or not. You can select your social categories. Again, we don't have created any of them, so you can do it by here. For example, we can say that updates for updates for ads, right? Um, and we can select social tags from here if you have already created them, right? So once you see that, once you click post, then you can schedule recurring post, repeat after every 7 day. Post time is the same. Date ranges is 210 to 19/7. First execution will happen on 10/7/39. So we can do it maybe 8:40 p.m. Schedule post, and okay, so we can go back, and you can see under the planner there are some posts that are already scheduled. So this is how you are going to automate your whole content, right? It's for recurring, and then there is a review post. That is a great feature to have. For example, if you are a business and you have social profiles like Google Business Profile and Facebook, in which where there are reviews coming up, so you can select either one of the channels and then select the star rating. And then what it's going to do is it is going to post your review. Um, Next, so we don't have uh, Google Business Profile or Facebook review, so it's not letting me get to the next section. But this is how it's going to work. Once you select that, it is only going to take the 5-star review. And then on select background, it is going to give you a couple of images that you can select. And then it will be under the content preview section, you're going to see the same screen. Like on publish, you can schedule this post, or you can make them uh, whenever a review comes in. So this is going to be um, working for your brand. Then there is a RSS feed. Now this is for this video purpose. I'm going to utilize or copy this RSS feed. You can do it your own blog feed for this, or you can use a YouTube channel link for this. We can select a channel, social profile. We can end it with some tags here, like digital marketing. Right. So you can see how this is appearing. Like this is creating. Um, you can do it once in a day. You can select every 12 hours, maximum post per update to publish only future RSS posts. This is for only for the future posts, but you can unselect it, and then all the older posts will be under your um, social posting as well. So once that is done, you can create a post. The maximum posts are two. You're going to see this already inside the planner section. You can see it here, right? So every day, this is going to be posted with the help of, you can see how this is working. So this is how you need to do for your business as well if you are actively doing blog posting or content creation. We are just going to delete it because we have just used it for example. Then there is a template library. So from here, you can actually select different templates. Like I've already selected a template library, but it is currently not working because it was asking me to provide a video. However, if I select Facebook, then I'm not going to see um, any errors now. If I schedule it, one post will be scheduled. I'll click import, and now what is going to happen that this is going to work Again, under the planner, you're going to see all the posts from here. You can see Facebook. So it's completed. It's saying that it is completed. The way to create template library is that you need to select a template. For example, if I go in there and there is a social planner template, and then you'll just type, for example, I'm doing this template. I'll just choose this template and it is going to import all the templates for the posts. And once it does, we then going to either schedule it or post them immediately after the import happens. So in our case, we are going to select channels, social channels, it's Facebook, and you can then tell him the days that when once like what day you want to be posting this content. Wednesday and Thursday number of posts, we can add two time range, select that, and then you can schedule the post right away from here. So it's under the under pending. Now it's in progress. And if I go into the planner, you can see that you can see the it's in review. I'll review that. Once that is being reviewed, you can change it according to your own brand. You can see this post. You can see this post by preview. You can see it here. So you can schedule it. Are you sure you want to import post? Import. Click import, and now this will be inside our planner in our calendar. You can see it here, Wednesday and Thursday. Then Wednesday, this is how it is going to work for template library. Then this is the approval, like kind of posts are under the approval and who's the approver, sent by which person, and what are the social channels that this content is going to. Then that there is a category queue where you can queue the content for your existing categories or add new categories for that, right? You need to select the category, enable for future posting, continue. You can select the date and this will queue the posts accordingly. Then there is the comment section where you can see all of the comments happening on all the social profiles, right? Then there is the statistics, like what kind of posts, total number of posts you have done, total likes, total followers, total impressions, things like that, right? Now, analytics is great. If you see a pattern of posts that are converting, like it is generating you the most leads, then you will just do recurring posts for that particular post. And this is going to work really great for your posting social media strategy as well. So once that is done, you can go to the social listening where you can see different social trends on different platforms, and then you can build your content from there in order to keep up with the trends and make your content trending, right? Then there is the settings tab where um, either delete the you can either delete your connections of all the profiles or you can connect your socials from there. Then there is community if you want to connect any community. Then there is the Pinterest notifications. It's great. Like if there are a couple of members in your team that are handling social media posting and there is one admin who is approving, then you can um, you can you can enable these settings uh, for a robust and effective way to manage your team as well, right? Then there are social categories. You can create more categories on in here, and then you can categorize your content accordingly. Then there is the watermark section. You can add watermark, and then there is the global settings, which are media optimization and apply watermarks. So overall, this is how you are going to be using your Go High Level Content Planner. And again, it's a great tool to save your time. Um, I mean, you can do uh, monthly content in just minutes. Obviously, the initial research will take time, but once that is done, you can get the analytics and then you can create recurring posts that are working quite well for your brand, and you can use social listening to listen to the trends and then create content over those. And the great thing about it is that it will give you a holistic overview of all the channels, not a single one, right? You can manage all the posting through this tool, and that's the great thing about GoHighLevel. If you are looking to set this up on your GoHighLevel accounts, you can contact us. Everything will be mentioned in the contact description of the video. Until next video, thank you.